In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an admin dashboard in Wix. Whether you're managing a small website or a more comprehensive online presence, having an admin dashboard is crucial for efficient data management and overall organization. Follow along, and you'll learn how to set up your own admin dashboard in just a few simple steps. First, let's begin by opening the Wix website editor. This is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your Wix site. Once you're there, look for the sidebar on the left. Here, you'll find an option labeled Add Page. This feature allows you to expand your site's structure by creating new pages. After clicking on Add Page, you'll be presented with choices for different types of pages. For our purposes, choose Blank Page. Starting with a blank canvas will give us the freedom to customize the dashboard to meet our specific needs. Name this new page something like Admin Page to keep things organized and easily identifiable in your dashboard. Next, if you prefer to keep your dashboard hidden from public view, there's a simple way to do this. You can easily hide the admin page from your site's menu, which ensures it won't appear to visitors. To do this, locate the menu options and select Hide from Menu. This keeps the admin page accessible to you without cluttering the public-facing parts of your site. Once you've created and named your admin page, you'll want to delve into its settings to tweak it according to your preferences. Start by selecting Settings from the dashboard options. This is where you'll be able to customize various aspects of the page. Within the settings, you'll find an option called Layout. This enables you to design the page structure as you like. Adjust elements to align with your visual style or the functionalities you have in mind for the dashboard. Permissions are another critical setting to adjust. Navigate to the Permissions tab within the settings to control who can access your admin dashboard. Ensuring only authorized personnel have access is vital for maintaining security. Finally, pay attention to SEO basics if you wish to manage how this hidden admin page is indexed by search engines. While it won't be a public-facing page, adjusting SEO settings can prevent it from being inadvertently indexed. To wrap up, click on the admin page to make sure all your settings are correct and that the page layout looks how you envisioned. Each of these steps has helped shape a fully functional and discreet admin dashboard tailored to your needs. Congratulations! You've just built your own admin dashboard in Wix, primed and ready to manage your site's backend efficiently. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and insights.